Hi Money Magnet. In this video, I'm going to share with you my secret on gaining 8,000 subscribers in just 28 days. It all has to do with an AI video editor that I've discovered that made it really easy for me to create great videos. I am personally not a real video editor, but this tool has helped me. It made it possible for me to create polished professional videos quickly and easily. So if you are looking to grow your own channel, this is a must watch, especially if you're trying to hit that 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours so you can monetize your channel. Let's get started. So as you guys can see, my channel right here, it's Money Magnet. Let's take a look at my analytics. So as you can see, this is my analytics. Recently, I've received about more than 8,000 subscribers in the past 28 days. It has significantly increased my abilities on creating more videos and expanding my YouTube presence as fast as possible. I couldn't even imagine how fast it can go. And just take a look at my watch time and then take a look at my reels. So it's really crazy, and I actually feel like creating more videos because I'm seeing these kind of results. And I hope to be able to inspire you with this new AI video editor so that you can also achieve the results that I am seeing myself as well. Now, let me show you what video editor I'm talking about. So what makes this AI video editor so amazing is because it allows you to edit videos based on text. So it's like an text-based AI video editor, and it's crazy good. As you can see here, you can edit scenes based on the text itself. So imagine like you are editing a Word document, all right, instead of editing videos itself. Especially you are someone who dislike video editing like myself. I totally dislike video editing. But this had made me feel video editing is something fun to do. Let me show you an example. So video editing, one of the things is about sound, okay? Sound is something really important for video editing. But what if you don't have professional mics, you don't have professional environment like what you're seeing here at my back? It's not really professional. But what this product has is that it allows you to edit sound so that it sounds more reasonable in a professional video. So this is the original one.
Please visit LibriVox.org. That's LibriVox.org. Please visit LibriVox.org. That's LibriVox.org.
As you can see, it sounds so much more better. So as you can see right now, my sound in this video is not actually sounding really so awesome in its original source. It's because I've used this tool to help make it sound better. If you don't believe me, just check out some of my earlier videos. The sound is horrible, guys. But this tool has significantly changed the game for me. Next is removing filler words. So this is one of my favorite things because I'm personally a kind of guy who likes to do things spontaneously. So I do make mistakes like using word but because of this tool, I've totally removed all of them. So you're unlikely to see them in this video. Let me show you an example of how this works.
So these nuggets are made from chicken, but they're made to emulate the taste of like non-chicken nuggets.
Now let me show you what happens when you edit it with this tool.
So these nuggets are made from chicken, but they're made to emulate the taste of non-chicken nuggets.
So it removes all those unnecessary errors itself so that your video itself looks superbly beautiful when you upload it to YouTube. Now let me show you another feature that it has. Now this is mind-blowing, the overdub feature. I don't normally use this feature, but if you want to, especially when you want to correct serious errors, this will save you a lot, all right? Let me show you how this works.
So these nuggets are made from chicken, but they're made to emulate the taste of non-chicken nuggets.
And this is what do you do when you use this tool for overdub.
So these nuggets are made from chicken, but they're made to emulate the taste of vegan nuggets.
So it changed the sound of before.
So these nuggets are made from chicken, but they're made to emulate the taste of non-chicken nuggets.
As you see, non-chicken nuggets. This was before. And
So
after,
these nuggets are made from chicken, but they're made to emulate the taste of vegan nuggets.
it changed from non-chicken nuggets into vegan nuggets with a flick of a finger. So that is Amazing. As a YouTuber, sometimes you said something wrong or you wanted to correct an error that you have mistakenly or instinctively said, which you may want to edit. This one will totally help you so you don't have to refilm, reshoot, and all the kind of errors that you have done. You just don't need any of that. It removes all of that problem so that you can focus on what's important, producing great videos. I do appreciate that it has a premium stock media, so you can add in sounds, images, GIFs from premium stock medias as well, such as Unsplash as well as Giphy as well. So this is really awesome as well. So you don't have to go and spend so much time to download all these kind of things. You can just drag and apply into the tool itself. Now, you've seen a snapshot of what this tool can do. Let me show you how I did it for my own personal video. So this is going to be like some sort of an impromptu demo. So when you open this tool, this is what it's going to look like. So I'm just going to edit this. And this is an example of one of the videos that I filmed in the past, all right, on how to turn successful emails into templates with ChatGPT. And seriously, this is a very, very awesome video. Do check that out. So say that this is the intro of the video and I dislike the intro. All I need to do is edit it this way. Say I just wanted to remove this part itself, right? Instead of cutting the video all itself, I can just edit this by pressing backspace and it's gone. And it will move on quite smoothly as well. So for example, this was before, all right? Tons of money, then this video is for you. By the way, if you okay, so let's say I didn't want to use that part, I just want to remove this part, and then you can see how smooth this works out. I'm going to show you a secret trick. By the way, if you're interested to find out the hottest trending things, it's really, really amazing, right? As the other thing that you can do here is definitely you can add another scene or video or stock image as well. So when you click onto this, it highlights that. And then I can click on media, I click on videos, and say this is about a newsletter. So let's just pick newsletter and click this on it. Now it's going to be importing into the video. And then let me show you how this works. It's going to start here. Professional email templates in seconds. I'm going to show you a secret trick. By the way, if you're interested to find out the hottest trending things about AI, do subscribe to the... So it's really, really amazing in this case. All right. And one of the things that I've realized is a lot of people has been asking me how I made subtitles. Some of you even called it the Hub Subtitles. So let me show you how I do that subtitles itself. So say, for example, I'm just going to copy this itself and I'm going to right click and put insert. All right. From here, you can click captions. So this is the captions itself and it automatically captions all the words that have been said. All right. I'm Money Magnets. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a professional. So if you want to change this one itself, going to click here, go into captions, click into active words. I'm going to change this to yellow and change the background to black. And the background itself, probably I'm just going to change it to black itself. Now you get some sort like this. Hi Money Magnets. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a professional email templates in seconds. Amazing, right? So in fact, that it will follow what is the active words based on your voice. Mind-blowing, isn't it? So as you can see, this tool itself is so amazing. In fact, there is so many errors when I film videos as well. There's lots of that I use as well. But because of this tool, I can easily edit all of that out so you guys don't see that. And that actually increased my viewerships as well, my average view retention as well, and definitely my subscriber base as well. In fact, it's so great that I'm seeing such a huge results from this. Let me show you an example. Because of these tools itself, I've gotten LinkedIn messages saying that people is appreciative of my videos. And not just that itself, I'm getting people asking me to mentor them, even though I consider myself as not a fully fledged YouTuber because I'm busy. I have my own business to run as well. And I do have to handle a couple of clients out there. But as you can see, these people are seeing success with my videos. And honestly, to my surprise, I'm also receiving brand deals where brands are asking me to create videos for them and they're seeing me as an influencer, which Personally, I don't see myself as an influencer yet, but I'm getting all these kind of deals out of nowhere, and I'm taken by surprise by how great this tool has helped me. As you can see, paid partnerships. It's so surprising. So if you are interested to use this tool, I placed the link down in my description below so you guys can go and check that out. This tool called Descript is so amazing that you can even do it for your video editing, podcasting, screen recording. And the great thing about this, you can even export all sorts of sizes, whether it will be for YouTube, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, all with just a click of a button. So save your time and effort with this amazing tool. Hurry, check the description below. It links you to the video editor that I'm talking about, and you will definitely will not regret signing up for this. You can try it for free, but definitely I can tell you it's worth paying it, especially when you're thinking about creating something like me with the results of getting 8,000 subscribers in 1 month. Just think about how much you can scale with this. It have significantly changed my life. From someone who hates video editing and someone who hates to refilm over and over again because of all the editing issues here and there, this has completely turned me into a happy video editor. So my suggestion here is that if you want to start your own YouTube channels and grow like me, you can start using this tool, grow your YouTube base, and then when you reach until a certain level where you can hire a video editor to increase the engagement for your videos, you can add in visual effects and whatnot. Those are the things which best leave to the professionals. But if you are not a professional video editor, there is still hope for you. Especially with this tool itself, you can fly the way how I flew. So yeah, if you are interested in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll be sharing you more tools like this to help you be more successful, especially for those of you who wants to start a side hustle and earn money online. Do follow me because I'll be sharing more tools like this and strategies to achieve that. But yeah, don't forget to watch my other videos which will be coming up here really soon, and I'll see you in the next one. All the best. Bye.